Claude Design has received its most significant update since launch. Version 2.0 introduces brand-aware design systems, real-time canvas editing, and bidirectional sync with Claude Code. This update transforms the tool from a promising prototype into a production-ready workflow. Claude Design is Anthropic's AI-native design environment. Users describe their requirements in natural language, whether a landing page, dashboard, or presentation, and Claude generates the first version on an interactive canvas. The system is powered by Claude Opus 4.7, Anthropic's most capable vision model, enabling responsive layouts, realistic prototypes, and production-quality output. The tool addresses a fundamental problem in modern product development. Designers are limited in how many directions they can explore in a given day. Engineering teams struggle with ambiguous handoffs, and non-designers have no way to produce visual work without external resources. Claude Design 2.0 bridges all three worlds. Designers explore faster, engineers collaborate directly in the design environment, and everyone else can ship polished visual work. The interface follows a split-panel layout: chat on the left, canvas on the right. Users describe what they want, Claude generates it, and refinement happens through three mechanisms: natural conversation, inline comments on specific elements, or direct manipulation of the canvas itself. No context switching, no intermediate tooling required for basic adjustments. The first major feature is the shared usage pool. In version 1, Claude Design operated on a separate token allowance, which meant users could exhaust their weekly capacity on a single prototype. Version 2.0 consolidates all activity into one unified pool. This enables seamless transitions between tasks. Additional capacity is available through usage credits. The second feature is real-time canvas editing. This is a fully implemented WYSIWYG interface. What you see is what you get. Elements can be dragged, resized, and aligned directly. Text is editable in place. Color adjustments apply immediately. For rapid visual iteration, this eliminates the latency of prompt-based refinement. 3 refinement methods are available. Chat edits handle broad changes, color schemes, layout restructuring, new sections. Inline comments allow targeted requests on individual elements. Direct manipulation provides real-time sliders for spacing, color weight, and border radius. It is recommended to save versions before exploratory changes, as the platform currently lacks an undo feature. The third feature, Design System Import, represents a significant advancement. Claude can ingest brand assets from Figma, GitHub repositories, or uploaded design files. Colors, typography, spacing tokens, and component libraries are imported automatically. Every generated design is validated against the imported system before it is presented to the user. When pointed at a GitHub repository, Claude reads component files, style sheets, and token definitions to construct a living design system. Figma imports transfer colors, fonts, and component hierarchies directly. Uploaded brand PDFs and style guides are parsed and ingested. Enterprise deployments benefit from admin controls that can lock an approved design system, preventing directional drift across projects. The design system approach shifts the mental model from designing individual screens to defining a system that produces consistent output automatically. Before any design is displayed, Claude validates it against typography, color, spacing, and component vocabulary. Corrections are applied pre-render. This eliminates the generic, off-brand output that typically characterizes AI-generated design work. The fourth feature, and arguably the most significant, is bidirectional design-to-code sync. Accessed through the command design sync in Claude Code. This system operates in 2 directions. Users can pull design systems from their codebase into the design environment, or push finished UI back to Claude Code for engineering implementation. In the pull direction, Design Sync imports design systems and selected screens into the local codebase. Importantly, it uses real components rather than hallucinated markup. Design tokens are exported as CSS variables. Component hierarchy and assets are packaged in a structured format. A prompt file is included containing stack details, conventions, and screen ordering for seamless handoff. The push direction completes the loop. Once engineering teams have implemented UI through Claude Code, the output can be sent back to Claude Design for visual refinement. This closes the communication gap between design exploration, engineering implementation, and final polish. The complete workflow follows a continuous cycle: ideation in Claude Design, creation on the canvas with comments and direct edits, pull via design sync into Claude Code, implementation, then push back for visual polish.